YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your TECNO Camon CM, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, this helps. And you're going to start by powering off your phone, and if your phone you can't access it and you want to hard reset it, let me shut down the phone. Then after, what you're going to do, you're going to press the volume up button, which is this one here, and then power button. Then after, when you see the phone that has turned on, then you release the power button, and I'm going to start by clicking the up button and plus the power button at the same time. And when I see the logo, I release the power button, and this is where it brings us. Then from here, I'm going to click the volume plus to enter the command that puts it to. I'm going to press up and power button same time. Then it brings us to this recovery mode, and when it doesn't come quickly, you have to, this is where it brings us. So in this case, I'm trying to see where you can focus. Okay, here. And what you do here, you're going to click the volume down. You're going to clear this. You press the power button to accept. Then after, you're going to say wipe data factory set. This is what you do. Then after, you click volume down and then click this to accept. Then your phone is going to restart, and it's going to start installing a new software and also resetting and deleting everything in your phone. And if this video works for you, please I consider you to subscribe. You won't regret when I upload videos, be able to see everything I upload. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new video.